Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making stuffed pepper casserole. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of long grain rice, and you want to rinse it, 1 pound of ground beef, 1 medium red bell pepper diced, 1 medium green bell pepper diced, 1 medium onion diced, 1 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. I used the one with garlic and olive oil in it. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and I also have 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes for garnish at the end, and that's optional. In a skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Once it comes to temperature, you're going to add in your onions. Red bell pepper, and also the green bell pepper, and we're going to let that saute for 5 to 7 minutes. You want your veggies to get nice and soft. Okay, after 7 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our ground beef. You're going to go in and break it down. And you want to make sure it's mixed very well with your veggies. Now we're just going to continue to cook our ground beef until it's browned all the way through. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you want to remove all excess grease. After you remove all the excess grease, we're going to go ahead and add in our minced garlic, our black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and also our adobo all-purpose seasoning. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. You want to let it cook for about 2 minutes. Let all the flavors mix in well with our ground beef and veggies. You can add in your Worcestershire sauce. Go ahead and give that a mix. Now we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes. So to that, we're going to add in our white rice and also our 2 cups of beef broth. Now you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to turn your heat up to high, and and we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to lower our heat to low. And we're going to place our lid on top, and we're going to let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. I'm going to let it go to 25 minutes. We want the liquid to be absorbed. Not all of it, but just a little bit more. Okay guys, it's been 25 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and we're just going to mix it. I already taste tested, and it's very delicious. It's so full of flavor. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead in with our mozzarella cheese. And guys, this is optional. You don't need to add it. You can eat it just like that. I'm going to put some cheese over top. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and place our lid over top, and we're going to let the cheese melt. You can also turn off your heat. Okay guys, so all the cheese has melted, and this is our stuffed pepper casserole. I'm going to go ahead and plate some of it. And guys, this has a nice cheese pull to it also. I'm going to go ahead and get some more. As you can see, the cheese. This is so good. Guys, I hope you give this recipe a try. Your whole family is going to love it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?